So hello and welcome back. This is part 3 where I explain how to use my video uploader. Between this part and the last I finished editing the preset, and so let's start by looking at it. I have added some tags, set a category, written a title and a description. Maybe you noticed this already. This is a episode tag that will be automatically replaced by an episode number later. There's also something similar for a playlist down here. This will be automatically replaced with a link to the playlist this video is inside. So let's pick some files. I have them here, part 1 and part 2. After that, we select the presets, select where to start numbering, so it's 1, apply, and here we are, part 1, part 2, part 1, 2, and if we go down here, the $parentheses playlist parentheses has been replaced by a playlist URL, and the videos can be started uploaded directly, but I want to change the title. So, how to get it is part 1, and part 2 is setting up. Let's call it that. And when it's ready to start. The videos are pretty short and my internet is pretty good, so it's pretty fast. And the video is done. And the second one starts, 30%, 60, 91, setting thumbnail, and playlist, done. And that's it. Let's check if they are there. Okay, so the videos are still processing. If you are uploading from YouTube, the webpage, you may have seen that it's 2 progress bars, one for uploading and one for processing. And here we can see that it's in a playlist with videos. It says it's removed, but it's not yet processed. That's pretty weird. Here it is. Done. It works. So this is how to use my video uploader. Thanks for watching.